Hello, we are here with Kryssia. She won first place on the novice handbag. Great job. So, what got you to enter this year?
So I just like to work with leather, and I actually, when I was buying some leather from a tannery, a famous tannery here in the U.S., they actually told me about this show, and I didn't even know that it existed. And then when I went to the website, they actually had a competition, and then my husband actually motivated me to enter. He was like, "Ah, you can try it and see what happens," and here I am.
Awesome. So, what would you tell someone thinking about entering next year?
So I will say, even if you doubt yourself, and you just go for it. It's fun. It gives you something to look forward to think about. It actually boosts your creativity. So I really will encourage anybody that wants to apply to just go for it.
Awesome. Well, congratulations and great work. We hope to see you
Very
next
much.
year.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Awesome.